this is Gopal. I hope you are having a good time today. So today we are going to start with the Windows 7 installation. So this is my desktop machine, which having the Intel i3 processor with 3 GB of RAM and 500 GB of hard disk. We have already created the partition for the Windows XP 7 and other Linux operating systems. So let's start with the actual Windows 7 installation. This is my HP pen drive, which are having the USB installation files. So this pen drive is become bootable now. So we boot this from the this pen drive. So let's plug in this to the central processing unit and starts your CPU. This is my Intel desktop machine, motherboard machine. So which having currently OpenSUSE, Windows 8, Ubuntu operating system. These are these operating systems having a partition with the SDA. Windows required the primary partition. As we know, OpenSUSE, these are the Linux operating systems which required the ext3 or ext4 partition that we discussed in the earlier tutorial. So let's start with the Windows 7 installations. We do the custom installation for Windows. Let's use the hotkeys Alt Control Delete to restart, and just press the F10 key for Intel processor. Other processor might have some other keys for boot menu. This is our boot menu. So we got this boot menu having a DVD RAM, SATA hard disk, and my bootable pen drive. We are using bootable device as bootable devices are very fast as compared to the optical device CD, DVD. As the disk header required some time to read data from compact disk. So it's easy to use the USB or bootable device. So here our Windows gets starting for installation. Nowadays there are multiple USB installer are available on websites. You just need to download it and use any select the operating system that you want to install and make the you need its of course you need its ISO or Neuro file. So this is the installation windows. You need to click on next button, this one, click on next, click on install now button. So your setup is going to start now. Agreement window, you need to accept the terms and license terms and conditions of Microsoft and click on next button. Here these are the two installation type. If you just need to install the Windows 7 on initial phase, you can choose this operation, but here the Windows choose its partition by itself and create another partition for your data and for other steering data. Here we are going to choose custom, as we allotted the partition table over here. So we are going for on hard disk. So we are choosing this partition. As we discussed already that there are multiple operating systems are available on my desktop machine. So these are the data partition, movies, songs, and others. These partitions are created. 10 GB partitions are created for the Linux installations. Windows XP is already installed over here. Some Linux are also installed over here, but they will not show because Windows only shows the NTFS partition system. So Windows XP is available. We are going to install Windows 7 on this second partition. If you want to use on first partition, you can just choose. Your drive options are available. You can format or delete or create a new partition or for whatever size you want. You can install. You can take it and you can install on that particular drive. So here we are going to start Windows 7 on partition 2. If you are new user or if you only want Windows 7, you can choose the first partition, and rest of the drives are for your data storage or other operating systems. Let's start with the make sure that you are choosing the correct drive, otherwise your data may get lost, or Windows may get installed on another drive. So let's click on this next button. Here installation gets starts, copying files is over. Now expanding Windows files. This will only take hardly 20 minutes to 25 minutes. It depends on the processor you are using, but Windows 7 minimum required 80 GB or 40 GB of hard disk. It's recommended that you should have 80 GB of hard disk, 1 GB of RAM, and processor maybe it's get installed on Pentium processor also. So Windows 7 is a successful operating system of Microsoft. After Windows XP, there was other operating systems from Windows 1.0 started from Microsoft as created in 1979. Then Windows 2.0, 3.0, then Windows NT, which was the on 27 July of 1992. New file system. It was Windows used the NTFS file system. NTFS stands for New Technology File Systems. Here our installation is going to in process. So we are discussing rest of the points. Windows 7 having a very nice user face and user interface. And most of the end user has used the Windows and Mac or Linux. We are going to expanding Windows files are in progress. Installation is going in progress. 75% is already here. 91% is going to process now. So we are expanding Windows is going to finish. Now installing feature will get starts now. Let's get starts. Updates going to updates now. Windows installation is going to complete now. It's going to restart PC automatically. Your PC gets Windows 7 is going to start now. So this is, you are done with the Windows 7 installation. Thank you.